Hey, it's Gina with WTI. There is nothing more annoying than trying to find somewhere to place your phone or tablet when you're on a flight and you want to be comfortable watching entertainment. I found a really cool, useful tool for that, and that's this Flex Flap from AIRGLO. So this is moldable and bendable. You can move it into whatever position that you want in order to support your device. I was actually really surprised at how well it supported my phone. My phone didn't fall out even with turbulence, and I also liked how solid it was just placed on a tray table when it was down. It stayed really stable, and it was so nice and convenient to be able to watch without craning my neck, and I could be as comfortable as possible during my flight. You are going to find so many uses for this, not just on a flight, but there's lots of different applications, even around the house. My husband's been using it to hang his headphones on. Next time you have to travel, make sure you pick up one of these. You're going to love it as much as we did, and that's my point of view.